In today's video, I'm going to teach you exactly how to log in to Claude AI step by step. So let's dive right in and get started on making this process as easy and seamless as possible for you. First things first, you'll want to open up your web browser. Whether you're using Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any other browser of your choice, it doesn't matter. Whichever one you're comfortable with will work just fine. Once your browser is open, go ahead and type Claude AI into the search bar at the top. Hit enter, and pretty soon you'll see a list of search results. Look through those results until you spot the official Claude AI website, and then click on it to proceed. With the website open, you're going to find yourself on the login page. Now you have a choice to make. You can log in using Google for a quicker process, or if you prefer, you can opt to enter your personal or work email address. For the sake of speed and ease, I recommend going with the Google option. So go ahead and click on Continue with Google. Now it's time to enter your Google email address. Make sure you type it in correctly to avoid any login issues. Then confirm your login by clicking the Continue button. Right around here, there will be a prompt asking you to confirm you are at least 18 years old. It's super important, so make sure you acknowledge this, and then click Continue again. Next up, you'll be prompted to choose if you're interested in the free plan, the pro plan, or even the max plan. If you're just getting started or testing the waters, feel free to stick with the free plan. It's a great way to explore without any initial commitment, and you can always upgrade later if you decide you need more features. Once you navigate through that step, you'll find yourself on the Claude AI dashboard. If it's your first time logging in, you'll need to enter your name and select 3 topics that interest you the most. Maybe you want to delve into coding and development, create engaging content, or perhaps you're interested in lifestyle. It's entirely up to you. Pick the topics that resonate with you, and when you're all set, the AI will ask what's first on your list. And there you go, you're officially inside your Claude AI workspace. From now on, anytime you revisit the website, you'll be automatically taken straight to your Claude dashboard, making it incredibly convenient for future use. And that's it. You've now learned how to log into Claude AI quickly and easily. If you found this tutorial helpful, please do give it a like, share it with anyone who might need a hand, and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with more tutorials. Thank you for watching, and happy exploring with Claude AI.